Welcome to week 6 for science. We're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be using an online website called BrainPop. We used it for math earlier this year, but now we're going to use it for some science stuff, and we're actually pretty excited about it. So on Monday, we actually need you to set up your own account, and then you can do the first assignment. So if you look here, there's going to be some instructions for what you need to do in order to set up your account. I really encourage you to watch this video that Ms. Perkins made. She takes you step by step through all of these instructions to show you how to get into BrainPop and how to set it up. So watch this and then make sure you follow these instructions and use these codes depending on what homeroom you are in. And then once you've done that, it'll take you to the BrainPop website. Here, I'll go ahead and click on that. So it's going to take you to this website here. You're going to click on this enter code button right here. And that's where you will enter the code that's in the instructions listed in the notebook. And then you'll follow those instructions. Again, watch that video that Ms. Perkins posted to help you get through that. And then once you get through all that, it should bring you to a page that lists all of your assignments out. So, for example, this is the first assignment that we would want you to do. Please make sure you read all of these instructions that we give you here, and then you can go on with your assignment. So for this one, for example, you're going to watch a little cells movie. It's not really that long. It's like 2 or 3 minutes. And then there's a movie quiz right after that we want you to do. And then there's a challenge activity that we also want you to do. And then don't forget to click the submit to your teacher button that will show up when you are done with your assignment. What I recommend you do when setting up your BrainPop account is watching this video first, and then you'll have a better idea for what steps you need to take, and then just make sure you use the correct code depending on which homeroom you're in. And then one other thing I wanted to make you aware of is your username is your lunch number, and the password is also your lunch number, but it has the pound sign or the hashtag sign in front of it, so don't forget that, otherwise it won't work. Then on Tuesday, we're going to have you do the cells reading and the think questions. It may look a little long because there are, I believe, 8 pages in this, but don't worry, a lot of it is just pictures. So it really isn't too bad. So you'll read through all of that and then do the 4 think questions at the end. Don't forget, you can use these helpful hints. The answer will be on this page number. That's why we put it there. So then you don't have to search for it for too long. Then on Wednesday, we're going to have you go back to BrainPop and you're going to do the cell structures assignment. Now, the first one that you did is just called the cells assignment. This is cell structures. There is a difference between the two. So when you go into BrainPop and you look at your assignments, the cell structures one is the one that we want you to do on Wednesday. You'll notice it's labeled number 3 because the number 2 assignment was the reading, and the first assignment, number 1, was the one you were supposed to do on Monday. Then on Thursday, we're going to have you do the BrainPop Week 6 Cell Structures quiz. So I'm going to go back to that page, and it'll be the Cell Structures quiz assignment right here. And you can access that through this website here. All the links to the website will always be on the notebook pages. Last but not least, on Friday, rather than giving you a new assignment, we actually want you to go back and review all of your work from the previous 4 days, and we'll be grading it and we'll be giving you feedback on it. And so we want you to take Friday to edit any work that you may need to edit. So for example, maybe when you did the cells reading and one of your think questions needed a little bit more detail, I want you to use Friday as the day to go back and edit those, because not only will that improve your grade, but also tells us that you are learning the information correctly, which is super important for when you get to 7th and 8th grade. We want to make sure you're interpreting all of the facts and information that we're teaching you correctly. One last thing, please make sure you are going in order. The reason we numbered these is so you can go in that order. Otherwise, it doesn't quite make sense. We don't want you to do the quiz first. We want you to do the assignments first so then you can do well on the quiz. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck this week.